All right, this is just a quick film because I had a customer question us about how you can reverse your rims on a skid steer without changing the tread pattern. We're going to pretend this is a skid steer, and if you notice, I'm putting a white dot to mark the outside of these tires and an arrow, if I can, to point the direction of the tread. Imaginary direction, of course, on these things, but okay, so we're going to pretend we've got two skid steer tires. The treads, because these are directional treads, are pointing that way. These are the outside of the tires, and currently our rims are dished in for narrowest clearance. I don't know if you can see it on this, but it actually works out well because this little toy has an in and out on the dishing too. Okay, there's the approximate width of the vehicle right now. Now when we put our skid steer tracks on, we need clearance on the inside for the chains. Some machines have it, some don't. This one doesn't. Now watch what happens when you take the left front tire off, the right front tire off, and again, keeping them in that exact same direction. You move this one over to this side, put it on, and you move this one over this side and try to put it on. Oops. There we go. Now you'll notice what was the outside is now the inside, but yet the tread pattern is still going the other way, as opposed to just doing this to a tire. If you just flip it in its place, the tread pattern is now pointing the opposite direction. So you want to take your left front to your right front, vice versa, and the same in the back. You just repeat the same process. And just like on a skid steer, you'll notice, because here's the new width, that you gain width. But the purpose for this is to gain clearance here and here. Anybody putting on skid steer tracks knows exactly what this video is explaining. That's it. I hope that helps.